them making their own progress. Maski gagmay pa sila, but you can see their improvement. And also, I would like to acknowledge the pains and the labor of the teacher.
Pastors, teachers, parents, and my great classmates. Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Now, we leave the port of our mother. A minute from now, we will be getting ready for our teacher taking. But we have not forgotten that we undergone this our Lord Jesus, who gives us wisdom, guidance, and protection. God give us mentors to love and care for us in all of our learning experiences. God give us also their parents to support us morally and financially. Finally, we knew that we have just finished the first step, the second step. With the head of us, who while sharing you, my dear classmates, commit to hold the second step. Let us always remember the good things we acquired. God bless us all.
Grabe! Okay, long breath for that's Mario Jr. Let's move on to the awarding of medals and pinning of ribbons by Pastora or Mary Jane Grisolampo.
Okay. Unahin natin ang mga nursery at saka kinder 1. Hindi kayo sa mga pangalan niyo, ha? Okay, we have two pupils of nursery. We have Ralph Angelo Mitjudia. First honors. Ano kaya? First honors, best in math, best in science, best in most active, most neat and clean. Go to Ralph Angelo Mijudia. with 2 medals. Next is Kizel Althea A. Artieda. First honors. Best in phonics, best in reading, best in spelling, best in English. Go to Althea Kizel Artieda. Most punctual. Most punctual. Ay! One book. Okay, special. And most punctual kay Casey. Okay? Dalawa lang sila. Kulban, magkukapin, oy. Okay, let's proceed to K1 Academic Awards. First honors. Best in English, best in language, best in math, best in science, best in Filipino, best in penmanship, best in coloring, best in reading, best in memory, best in recitation, best in drawing, best in spelling, most punctual, most diligent. Go to Amil Taipin Estrada.
Is that your son, Emiliano? I couldn't believe that. But congratulations, my dear Amil. Okay, 3 medals. My God, I could not imagine this kid to be bagging awards like this. See how many awards, teacher? 13 meritorious awards plus special awards. Okay, that's very inspiring. I'd like to request si Emiliano unta ang kuan, mag-accompany Mr. and Mrs. no? Okay, Rita Omil.
Okay. Second honors. With 2 medals. He's also good in English, good in phonics, good in math, good in science, good in reading, best in writing, and most neat and clean, most active. Go to Bruce Jenner T. Oy. Dalawang medalya, 2 with 2 medals. Kaya lang, walang good dito na ribbon. Bawi na lang sa medals.